Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is safe and sound at home. Do you know children, learning begins with listening. Now you are ready to listen? Yes, we are going to see the third unit of our EVS. The topic of this unit is plants around us. Come, let's get into the lesson.
Now we are going to see Unit 3 Plants Around Us. In this lesson, we will learn about the parts of the plant, different kinds of plants, benefits of plants, trees as habitats for animals. Children, like our body has different parts such as hands, legs, and head, in the same way, plants also have different parts. They are of different colors. Let's learn about them. Every plant has a root and a shoot system. The part of the plant that grows under the ground is called the root system. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot system. It consists of stem, leaf, flowers and fruit. Children, are you ready to say the parts of the plant? Yes. Root, stem, flower, fruit, leaf. Now we are going to see about a leaf. The leaf grows from the stem. Most are green in color. Makes food for the plant. Children, you can see the picture. What it is? It is very colorful. Yes, it is a flowers. The flowers are the most attractive part of a plant. We can see different colors of flowers in different plants. Flowers are grows from a bud. Flowers has a specific smell. Each flower has a different smell. For example, the smell of the jasmine is different from the smell of the rose. Due to the colorful and the specific smell, the flowers attracts the birds and insects. Children, do you like fruits? Yes, now we are going to see about the fruits. Fruits develops from the flower. Some fruits have seeds, such as you can see seeds in papaya, guava, mango, etc. Most plants grow from the seeds. The main part of the shoot system is stem. The stem gives support to the plant. Next is the root. The root fixes the plant in the soil. Children, have you visited to the park? What did you see there? You can see different plants. Have you noticed the size of the plants? Whether all the plants are in the same size? No, each and every plants are in different size. Yes, now we are going to see the different kinds of plants. Plants are of different kinds. They can be grouped based on the size and the nature of the stems. Herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, trees. Herbs are small plants with thin and soft stems. Most of them live for a few months only. Example, mint, coriander, grass. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have many stems that grow close to the ground. The stems are thin and hard. Shrubs live for several years. Example, shoe flower, oleander, jasmine, etc. Children, now we are going to see about the climbers. You can see this type of plants nearby your house. Climbers have weak stems and they need support to climb and grow. Since it has a weak stem, it needs something to climb and grow. Some of them live for a few months only. Broad beans, snake gourd, ridge gourd are the examples for climbers. Creepers. Creepers are plants that have weak stems. They grow along the ground and bear large and heavy fruits. Many of them live for a few months only. Example for creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon, etc.
Now we are going to see about the trees. The big and tall plants are called trees.
Trees have hard and thick woody stems called trunks. Trees have many branches. They live for many years. Mango tree, banyan tree, and neem tree are the examples for trees.
Now we will see the benefits of plants. We get many benefits from the plants, like we get vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses, spices, oils, medicines from the plants.
Vegetables. We get many vegetables from the plants. For example, lady's finger, devil's fig, bottle gourd, etc. We get fruit from the plants. For example, pomegranate, grapes and jackfruit, etc. We get cereals and pulses from the plants. For example, rice, wheat, red gram, black gram, etc. Spices. Spices gives flavor to our food. It grows from the plants. Example for spices are cardamom, pepper, bay leaves. Children, can you identify what it is? Yes, it is a oils. We get oil from the plants. Do you know how? Let's see how we will get. We will get oil by grinding the seeds of the plants. For example, castor oil, groundnut oil, and also by grinding the coconut we will get the coconut oil. Plants also used as a medicines. For example, stone breaker, climbing brinjal, eucalyptus. We use different parts of the plants in many other ways. Now we can see the other benefits of the plants. As fiber. The thread-like structure taken from a plant is called a fiber. Fibers are used for making ropes and cloths. We use the ropes and cloths in many ways. Plant's leaf is used as a plates for eating. For example, the plantain leaf. We can use the plantain leaf as a plate for eating, and also the areca plate which is got from the leaf of the plant. As timber, the teak wood and the neem wood as thick trunks. These are used for making many things. The thick trunks of some trees are used for making doors, windows, tables, chairs and other things. Plants is used as a cosmetics too. That is, we can get henna, shigakai and aloe vera from the plants. We are using the parts of the plant to make the household things. The palm leaves are used to make boxes, baskets and hand fans. Bamboo is used to make paper, chair and windows. As ornamental plants, for example, rose, croton and cactus. The next topic is trees as a habitat. Habitat means home. Look at the picture. There are so many animals are there in the tree, right? Yes. Trees is a home for many animals such as birds, insects, squirrels and monkeys. It also gives a shade and clean air. Students, I hope you understood this lesson. Now you can able to name the parts of a plant, can identify different kinds of plants, to know some uses of plants. What is your duty now? Your duty is to take care of the plants that support all our life. Thank you.